Shooting warm-ups. So, while waiting for your shoes, okay? Give me 10 times here. Shoot, shoot. And... Hey! Once it shows red, dribble ka sa left hand. Then if it shows blue, dribble on your right hand. Then green, between the legs. Tap the zip line. What's color red? Left. Switch to left hand. Let's go! And do. Switch. Cross. Balance your left hand. The left hand. Right. This time, once you see color red, gagawin natin cross. Okay, then green through the legs, then blue behind. Same warm-up, but this time, sa wall naman tayo. So ito, we're not going to use this because ano naman, wala naman tong color yellow. So ito lang. Red, then blue. Blue, good job. Green, good job. Pound the ball hard. Speed stop, galing ka sa speed, then mag-i-stop ka. Ang move ni speed stop, before we do speed stop, gawin muna natin yung outside leg, then inside leg. Inside leg, outside leg. Drop. Then first step mo, Khalid, inside leg, going here, middle, kasabay niya Khalid, one dribble, then outside leg, pick up. Yan, stop, inside leg, outside leg. Then, outside leg. Then retreat. Okay, retreat. Sa side ka, speed stop, cross, after ng cross, retreat. Cross, then retreat. Yan. Drop, speed go, drop, retreat. Yan. Kabilang side. Then speed stop. Pick up the ball. Then again. Nice one. Go again. Nice one. Go. Let's go. Continuous bounce pass. Shoot mo dito ha. Then ako naman, chest pass. Go. Catch the... Come on. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Woo. This time, Khalid, drop tayo dito. Drop. Tapos speed stop. After ng speed stop, Khalid, papasa mo yung bola dito. Sa hurdles. Pagkapasa, saan na? Pagkapasa ka dito, get the ball. First and second time. First time, second time. Nice one. Stop.